Hello everybody, thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today we have some cute curly water wave hair. You know, I absolutely love a curly unit. If I were to have a signature unit, I would say that this is it. So if you want to see the entire install, stay tuned.
I know you don't mean it. You just need some TLC, THC, get Hennessy, yeah that's me. Don't be afraid to speak your mind. Let me know, let me know.
Hello everybody and welcome to another video. If you are new, welcome. If you are not new, welcome back. You have not seen this video yet. I know it's hard to tell because I got the same scarf on, but you have not seen this video yet. So listen, today this video is by our girl, Recool Hair. I love Recool Hair. As you can tell, this week was a week of curly units. Okay, so they sent us over this beautiful curly unit. Listen, y'all know I love my curly hair. I don't care what y'all say. It's 24 inches. It's curly, 13x4 lace frontal, and it's 200% density, so you know that it's thick, just like me. Okay, so they sent me some clamps, a bonnet. I love these bonnets. Well, they sent me a lot of stuff. A comb and some edge brushes and headbands. So I'm gonna go ahead and get into it with our install. It shouldn't be nothing too difficult, very straightforward, but this one is a traditional frontal that can actually fit my head, so I will be more than likely gluing it down. Well, I won't be doing anything. I will be getting it glued down. But yeah, I'm excited. So stay tuned for our install, girl.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
Thank you so much for staying all the way to the end of the video. I really appreciate you guys. So listen, y'all know, like I said in the beginning, this is my signature style. I love my curly hair. I know y'all get tired of it. You want to see something different. But for me, black, curly, a good water wave or a Brazilian is my type of hair. This is a frontal 13x4. Good amount of parting space. It's 200% density. So if somebody asks me, what does density mean? Density is how much hair you have. So if you have 150% density, that means that the hair is not as full. So 250% means you got a lot of hair. It's gonna be thicker. You're not gonna be able to see through it at the bottom or see straight back through it when you're looking from the front. But if you don't want too much hair, and you want something a lot thinner, then you want to lower your density. So that's what it means, 200% density. But anyway, I love this hair. Thank you so much, Recool Hair, for sponsoring this video. It's always very easy to work with, a very quick, effortless install. I glued it down. You can use Gots to Be, whatever's easy for you. But I definitely love this style. So listen, thank you so much for watching. All of the details for this unit are down below in the description box. Click on that and make sure you go purchase your Recool Hair unit. Again, thank you, Recool Hair. And thank you, Nidra and Rare Touch, for letting me take over the salon as usual. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.